My name is Adam Kayce. I'm the Vice President and Show Director of the Miami and Fort Lauderdale Home Design and Remodeling shows. The Home Design and Remodeling show is a true one-stop shop destination for all homeowners, interior designers, architects, builders, realtors, and all different industry professionals to really come on down to the convention centers and be able to shop everything from impact windows and doors, kitchens, flooring, furniture, interacting with our interior designers and shopping really anything that you could ever want for your home. This is your time to be able to experience anything that you could want for the home. So come on down to the Home Design and Remodeling shows and make your home your own. So the Home Design and Remodeling shows offers your business a true destination where you're going to be able to interact with potential clients, whether they're homeowners, designers, to be able to touch and feel your products, whether you're a kitchen company, impact windows and doors, furniture, or any other type of product. So this is your chance to be able to put on the map and really have people experience your business. So come on down and be a part of our next shows, whether you're pavers, interior design, air conditioning, generators, or any type of home improvement business. We invite you to be a part of our marketplace and be a part of all of our future shows to be able to represent your brand and your business and put yourself directly in front of our thousands of attendees. We look forward to seeing you at the show.